Hello everybody, I am Muhammad Arke and you are watching Hanan Media Group. Today I'm here to impart you 5 ways that you can say how are you. At the first time, how are you? What's the meaning of how are you? How are you means to ask somebody his condition, whom you are talking to. So let me immerse our lesson today. Number 1 that you can say instead of how are you is how is it going. Number 1 is how is it going. Good. How is it going, my friend? Today you feel more. So how is it going? The matter. How is it going? Did you say that? You reply, you're better, I'm pleasant, well, I'm fine. The answer you get is that he gives you a lot of answers. Number 2, how have you been? How have you been? How have you been, my friend? These days I haven't seen you in the village. So where have you been? How have you been at this moment? Good. Number 3, how is everything? How is everything? It means that how is everything going around the world with you? How is everything? Thank you. Number 4, how are things going? How are things going? How are things going, my darling? How are things going today, darling? You can say that. Good. Well, how are you doing? How are you doing? I think that you took advantage from this lesson. Although there are a lot of words, a lot of ways that you can say, you can ask somebody his conditions. But today I have decided to improve you these 5 days. So if you are not a member of Hanan Media Group, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this lessons, and to get any notifications which comes from Hanan Media Group. Thank you everybody, see you later.